Do single moms need life insurance more than married moms? Well, the answer might surprise you. Now, if you're a single mom watching this video right now, life insurance is not just important. It could be one of the most important financial decisions that you will ever have to make. So just think about it, okay? So if you're a single mom right now and you are raising your children on your own, have you ever asked this question? Who would provide for them financially if something happened to you? I'm sure if you're a single mom, natanong mo na yan at baka nga napapanaginipan mo pa or every time that you would sleep or before you go to sleep, eto yung malimit na tinatanong mo siguro sa sarili mo. Who would pay for my children's daily needs? Or sino ang magpapatuloy ng pag-aaral ng mga anak ko? Or sino ang magbabayad ng bahay namin? Or sino ang gagastos para sa future expenses nila kapag nawala ka sa buhay nila? And yun yung katotohanan, eh, kasi hindi naman natin hawak ang buhay natin, hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo mawawala, kung kailan tayo kukunin ni Lord. And bilang isang single mom, like ako right now, I am a solo mom. So kung hindi siguro ako financial advisor, malamang sa malamang isa ito sa mga iisipin ko gabi-gabi, 'di ba? Dahil I have 3 kids. Now, kahit sabihin mo ng my children are already what, 21, 16, and 13, kailangan pa rin nila yung financial support ko, kailangan pa rin nila yung financial provision ko, lalo-lalo na yung 16 and 13. So, for many single moms, there isn't another parent or a spouse who can automatically step in and replace their income. Kung wala kang partner or wala kang husband ngayon, naaasahan mo na puwedeng pumalit sa iyong role as the one who's providing for the needs of your children, lalong-lalo na yun nga kapag kinuha ka na ni Lord, paano na lang, 'di ba? But does that mean that married moms don't need life insurance? Of course not. Hindi naman porket sinasabi ko na yung mga single moms ay kailangan nila ang life insurance at sobra-sobrang kailangan talaga nila ang life insurance so that they can protect their kids. Ang mga married moms, they also need life insurance. Ang mga married moms, kailangan din nila ang life insurance. You know why? Because married moms also contribute tremendous value to their families, whether through income, childcare, household management, or emotional support. So, if you're a married mom and you're a stay-at-home mom, yung contribution mo pa lang sa household management, 'di ba? If ever nakunin ka ni Lord at naiwan si husband, siyempre si husband hindi naman niya kayang i-manage yung household. So kailangan niya mag-hire ng helper para lang i-manage yung household and to be able to cook, to wash the laundry, para alagaan yung mga kids kung mga bata pa, 'di ba? Kailangan ng tutor para magturo sa kanila kasi wala ka na do'n para gawin 'yon. Imagine mo yung expenses na 'yon na kailangan ngayon bayaran ni husband and paano kung hindi kasya yung salary ni husband para dun sa additional expenses na yon 'pag nawala ka. Or kung married mom ka tapos pareho kayo nagwo-work ni husband, so meron kang part na nagko-contribute ka dun sa mga family expenses ninyo. So 'pag nawala ka, kalahati nun kung ano man yung contribution mo, kung 30,000 ang budget ninyo sa household, tapos 15,000 kay husband, 15,000 sa'yo. 'Pag nawala ka, 15,000 pesos yung mawawala dun sa monthly contribution sa family expenses, 'di ba? Or kung married mom ka tapos ikaw ang provider pa din, 'di ba? Kahit na sabihin mo may husband ka pero si husband naman yung sabihin na nating nag-aalaga sa mga kids, siya yung nasa bahay. And then ikaw yung main provider. So, kailangan mo rin talaga ng life insurance dahil ikaw pala yung breadwinner at ikaw yung nagpo-provide ng income para sa family. So, kahit ano pang situation yan, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or you're a married mom helping your husband sa expenses ng inyong family, or you're a married mom na ikaw ang breadwinner, whatever the case may be as a married mom, you will still be needing life insurance because replacing those contributions can be so expensive and financially challenging para dun sa mga maiiwan mo pa rin kay husband at sa mga anak mo. So, do single moms need life insurance more than married moms? Well, in many cases, single moms may have greater financial risk because they are often the sole provider. But the truth is this, every mom who has people depending on her should consider getting life insurance because protecting your family's future is one of the greatest acts of love that you can give to them. Now, follow for more practical financial tips for moms, and you can send me a message if you'd like to have a free life insurance needs analysis.